Well, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. It is what it is.
Nigga.
I mean,
Now,
some shit you
I
just
thought
gotta
about,
do.
I thought about this, right? It
What's
might
this?
be fucked up as it sound, right? But I'm about to get out the army.
Yeah.
And I need a bitch that, you know what I'm saying?
Got something.
That got something going. So when I have hard times or shit come up, you know what I'm saying? I can lie to and she believe this shit. You know what I mean?
What they do, man? Stop by say it's your boy Midnight on another episode of Midnight TV.
It's your boy Reese making a guest star appearance on Valentine's Day from my secret location. Yo, first of all, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to all the women that are out there. Whether you big, tall, skinny, small, whatever, you need to stand in the mirror and tell yourself amazing, especially if no other man do, because I love each and every one of y'all. Whew.
Like you say, you gotta love women, baby. Can't live with them, can't live without them. So without further ado, we're gonna break y'all out with this little Valentine's Day special. Reese gonna hit y'all up with that She's Addiction / followed by that Drop It Off in Them Drawers piece. So y'all just listen up clearly and take heed of what we gonna say.
See this right here? It's called She Is My Addiction. See, she is my addiction. See, her curves make my mouth water the way them thighs move so perfectly within them jeans. Straight into my dreams, making me into the fiend of all fiends. So some nights I lay in bed and I began to imagine her walking into the room as the door closed. I stand up and begin to take off her night clothes. My right hand grips the side of her waist, the other her micros. As I softly kiss her from her neck to her clit, as juices flows from her inner thighs down to her freshly painted toes. Whew, she is my addiction. So I stand up and begin to lick the bottom of her earlobe, slowly inserting myself, monitor my strokes until she can take it whole, so I can take control. Gripping her waist tighter, she attempts to reach for the floor. She yells out, "Give me more!" And at that moment, I dig down deeper than I ever have before, and I give her more. Whew, y'all, do I give her so much more. She is my addiction. So I start slapping her ass as her heart rate begins to beat oh so fast. She grips the back of my legs, and nails pierce my skin as she splashed and crashed like a crackhead on the second day of rehab.
Whitney Houston.
Whew, she is my addiction. Double neck breaking, no mistaking. Oh my God, heaven did they damn thing when they created her. She is my addiction. The type of woman that's so gorgeous and evil and sexy that'll make the average man want to sell his soul. Make a weak man want to lose control. Some say if you catch her on the right wrong day, y'all, she looks so good she make a man want to lock and load. Cock back with a gun to his head and let a few go. Cause see, the images of her within his mind just won't let him function. So he'll punch his last ticket. And I promise you, if you could live more than one life, then at that ticket counter, you'll just see men standing there, crazy, holding their tickets, just punching and punching and punching. Whew, she is my addiction. The type of woman that go to church on Sunday, work Monday through Friday, knows what to do and make a man feel oh so good all day, every day in the worst way. Whew, y'all, she is my addiction. See, if my thoughts of her was water, then I have drowned. Woke up bound to her by a doc from heaven. Surgically connected by a surgeon at 7. Destined to be more than just an average savage that hits and quits and be in love with all her bullshit. From her extensions to her French tips. Y'all, she is my addiction. Y'all, she is my addiction. Whew, this woman is my addiction. Thank you, y'all. It's your boy Reese. Now your boy Midnight. Gonna break y'all off a little something. Midnight. Do that.
Drop it off in them drawers. Drop it off in them drawers. Come on, baby, you know what I'm trying to do. I've been thinking about you all day and what I want to do to you. I want to eat it and beat it, maybe even mistreat it. I'm trying to find out all the clues to Victoria's Secret. I don't know if it's infatuation or I just want penetration, but either way I want to feel that great sensation. We've been talking nasty to each other all day and sending each other nasty pic. I had enough of that. It's time for you to get this dick. I want to go deep inside your magical hole and hit it so hard I damn near break the manifold. So let's get it on, just like the song say, cause your body calling me in such a passionate way. So let's stop with the teasing and let me start with the pleasing and go and lay your body down. Let me give it some easy. We ain't gotta rush, cause we just getting started. If you don't get satisfied, then you gonna be broken hearted. So we can start it out at a nice and steady pace, cause if you clock out early, then that will be a disgrace. But I ain't worried about you being disappointed, cause what I got for you is something like a healing on it. It's gonna make your body feel good in every single way, and when you wake up from your nap, you're gonna have a lovely day. From when I drop it off drop it off.
Doom.
Drop it off in them draws, them draws. Well, happy Valentine's Day, ladies. You know what I'm saying?
Day.
And fellas, y'all know what to do. You know what I'm saying? It's the day for you to drop it off in them draws
Drop it
to
off.
the lady
Back.
that's your addiction. You know what I'm saying?
Back.
So, anyways, without further ado, we just gonna talk about pretty much the ladies today and how you supposed to make them feel when you got her as your addiction and dropping it off in them drawers, making her feel so good without tightening up and without no pause. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let Reese start it off.
So
You know
look,
what I'm saying?
ladies, I understand that this day is all about y'all. Do not go out there and fuck your man up because he didn't get you as much as your best friend didn't got. You know what I'm saying? So do not hurt that dude. You understand? And fellas, if you watching this at this moment, I don't know what the fuck to tell you, but you need to be dropping off in them drawers. You know what I'm saying? You need to go out there and hopefully you already got something. Because for us, I don't know what time it is for y'all, but yo, you need to get something nice for your lady. Go above the average day to make her feel better than her friend. That is the key. To make her feel better than her friend's dude made her feel. You understand? Hope I didn't confuse nobody out there. I ain't trying to get nobody hurt. And you go home. You do all the shit that she like that you don't like. Take her into that room. Or if hopefully you got your own spot. Yo, get the mood right. And wherever the fuck you at, by the end of the night, you need to make her feel like she's that person. Like she's the greatest thing on earth since breath. You know what I mean? I'm talking about, yo, whether you in the living room, she in the kitchen, you need to be on that ass. You need to be giving it to her. You know what I'm saying? You need to make her feel like she is the greatest. Like don't nobody, like your mama don't even exist right now. You know? If your phone, turn your phone off. Turn that shit the fuck off right now. You know what I mean? And go handle your motherfucking business. I don't give a, if you get off at work, you need to be in between them thighs. You know what I'm saying? Making that temperature rise. You dig? This is real out here.
Yeah, like just like we say, man. Today is the day for the ladies, man. And fuck your own spot and all that shit. Go get your nice hotel room. Get you some rose petals, get you some candles, get you some wine, some drink, whatever she like, whatever gonna make her feel good, man. And just talking about, let her know she's your addiction and how bad you gonna drop it off in them drawers. And I ain't talking about like every other day of the week when you fuck her good for like a good 10-15 minutes. I'm talking about you fuck her so good that when you fucking and she just start crying and tearing because it feels so good. When you fuck your lady like that, you getting the job done. No?
Well, she can't even talk to you or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like Cat Williams say, well, she throwing up gang signs. Yeah. She ain't even in the gang. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the oven hot and ready and keep on pumping very steady. You know what I'm saying?
Brothers, if you eat the pussy on this day, understand that you don't need the regular no, you need to get your face in it. You know what I'm saying? You need to suffocate yourself.
Put your nose the way you can't breathe. You be like,
you know what I'm saying?
You sucking up nothing but juices in your nose.
You gotta come up for air. For oxygen, you know what I mean?
It's like you got a gas. It's like somebody that took their hand and did this over your face, you know and you can't even breathe. That's how you should be in it. You should be in it the way she slapping you upside the head like, nigga, stop. Nigga, stop. You know what I'm saying?
She looking for a way out right now because it's that good. She
like this on the bed. She like this.
But there's no help. She won't help, but there's no help. She can't do nothing. You grab onto them ass cheeks to them hips and lock down as you put your face in it. Well, she just, when you get the fuck up, your face need to be wet. You know what I'm saying? Like you just threw baby oil all over your face. Like you just came fresh out the fucking shower.
Yeah, fresh out the shower. Soak a wet face. You know what I'm saying? You got her body trembling like the water was too goddamn hot and she couldn't take it no goddamn more.
If you are feeling regular when you get out there, you are wrong as fuck. You need to feel nasty like, oh my God, I need a towel. I need to clean this shit the fuck off. In high school, in middle school, you like, smell my finger. No, you need to be like, smell my face as it come off. That's how bad it. As she hits these multiple orgasms, you need to dig down within yourself and find a new nigga in you pull that nigga out and fuck the shit out of her ass.
That's it. And if your stomach go to hurting when you fucking her, don't stop, nigga. Just slow it down a little bit and get that feeling back. You know what I'm saying?
Get your mind
Your stomach
right.
gonna hurt if you doing what you're supposed to be doing, man. And your tongue gonna be tired if you licking her like you're supposed to be licking her. You know what I'm saying? If you sticking there and licking her like you're supposed to be doing, by the time you get done, like I said, she gonna fall asleep and take a good long nap on you.
Yeah.
And when she wake up, you should have her something ready to eat, and then you should be eating her again and beating her down one more time for the night, the way she out for the count like Holyfield and Frazier fight. You know what I'm talking about?
You need to feel tired when she need to just and until she just go to sleep in that same spot. She ain't got no fucking covers on her. She is confused, tired, and everything. And you need to sit there and hold her ass, feeling tired, you sweat, you nasty. That's how you know you can handle y'all nasty than a motherfucker, but y'all both too tired to get up because you didn't put in this work and she didn't took this motherfucking work.
Yeah,
you know
and ladies, don't think y'all got put out. Y'all got to do y'all job too. Y'all got to get that nigga some super head, some shit he ain't never had before. Where that nigga like, man, get off my dick. Stop, stop.
Okay, hey, when a nigga push you the fuck off, that's how you know you handle your business. Now, or I'm not gonna lie, or you doing a bad job, one or two. But if you know you getting that dude right, you know what I'm saying? You need to have him like making faces.
Make that nigga go shit.
You know, that nigga need to look at you like you a ghost or some shit
Right.
with that fear look. Like you scared the shit out. Get off. You know what I mean? He's scared because that shit is amazing to him. He can't handle it. You know what I mean? And when you fucking your man lady, oh, you gotta go above and beyond. Any bitch got a pussy and can fuck, but you need to put it on him. If you with this dude to give him this ass, hopefully you already know all the shit he like. You need to bring all your tricks out his bag. You need to have this nigga like, damn, I love her ass.
And when you get on top of you, ride that nigga, ride him forward, reverse cowgirl, do it all. I'm talking about drop it on that nigga the way he can't take it no more. The way that nigga like, hey, you gotta stop, girl, you gotta stop.
You gotta bring your A game, A plus game today.
Today is about, it ain't about either one of y'all. It's about both of y'all trying to outdo each other today. It ain't about satisfying. It's about who gonna outdo who. If you put him to sleep, you did your job. If he put you to sleep, he did his job. If y'all fall asleep inside each other, y'all both did some good ass motherfucking work.
If both of y'all are just laying there, can't do nothing, just who? You didn't handle your motherfucking business. You know what I'm saying? If at some point you niggas both just stop. If he find himself whispering to him like, hey, you okay? And you, you know what I mean? That was a great night.
The nigga better actually do you want some Kool-Aid. If you ate some Kool-Aid, ain't none of y'all did shit. Y'all shouldn't even want to get out the goddamn bed. You know what I'm saying? We just could express this because we ain't getting none of that shit. We stuck over here where we at, you know what I'm saying, chilling. And it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But we just want to give y'all how we felt about this day and what should be happening for y'all that can't happen for us.
Love.
You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't appreciate it and y'all don't like what we said, fuck you. Y'all know my motto. Kill yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like what we got to say, kill yourself. You know what I'm saying? Reese, you got anything for the people?
Nah, hey, just want to thank y'all. Y'all have a happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, baby. We out.